Hi and welcome. This video is about email marketing, but it is going to be different. Anyone can set up an email campaign. With today's technology, you can set up your campaign in minutes. It is drag and drop easy. You will find a link below to Mr. P's email marketing playlist, if you want help or need help with the physical setup. This video is the 10th video in a Clickbank tutorial called How to Make Money Online Fast with Clickbank. The training is geared to newbies, and the email training is also geared to newbies. Your list is going to be your most important and most valuable asset. The problem is that for most newbies, email marketing is not usually going to work right away. Even though you do your best to create what seems to be a perfect email campaign, you may discover that no one is joining your list. So the reason why this email training video is different is that you are about to discover some easy email marketing tips, tricks, and secrets that will help your campaign efforts to work right away. Mr. P is trying to boil down 20 years of online experience into a short video, and, although that is not really possible, the following email marketing training should speed up your results considerably. In earlier videos, you learned to build your web pages around keywords and keyword phrases. Since your list is so important, you also want to build your web page around getting email subscribers. In other words, build your web page around the fact that it has a job to do. That job is to get subscribers. Most newbies think in terms of making sales, so their mindset is that their web page's job is to make sales. Mr. P says to switch your mindset to subscribers. What will happen is that your list will begin to grow. The good news is that sales will follow. Ultimately, your list will increase your revenue by 400%. So, as you construct your web pages, keep in mind that their job is to build your list. What you want your page to do is to get your visitors to go to your email capture page. So keep that in the front of your mind. You can use the AIDA formula. The last A, as you recall from earlier training, is action. And the action is to go to your squeeze page. I did not say join your list. Yes, that is your ultimate goal. Your squeeze page's job will be to gain subscribers, and I am being redundant, because this is important. Your web page's job is to get your visitors to click through to your squeeze page. Typically your web page is going to have text ads and banners and videos from your affiliates. This training series has been based around weight loss affiliates from Clickbank. But, this training will work, regardless of your niche. If you have a long web page, remember that search engines love articles and pages that are over 2,000 words in length. Perhaps you have sprinkled in several text ads, a couple of videos, and several banners. Make sure that every link sends your visitor to an appropriate squeeze page first, before sending them to your affiliate. This is a must. Another trick that you want to use is to litter your web pages with giveaways. Make it so that your visitors cannot scroll down your web page without seeing a freebie. When they click on the link or the download button, you already know where you will be taking them. To a squeeze page. Your squeeze page thanks them for their interest and asks them where. Where do they want you to send the giveaway that they are interested in? Littering your web pages with freebies not only helps you with your list building, it helps to change the feeling or vibe that your web page gives to your visitors. Your quality content plus your giveaways are going to make your visitors feel that your web page is going to help them. Your visitors are going to evaluate your web page almost instantly. If they feel good about it, they stay. And when they stay, you have an opportunity to grow your list. Another tip is to use an exit pop-up and include a unique gift. Lists are one of the easiest gifts to create. You can use your search box to create lists that apply to your niche. Add a few images and a link or two. Create a book cover, compress your file, and give it away. Since you have created it, it is unique, and it is going to help your visitor. So let them know, and, of course, your pop-up takes them to a squeeze page. When it comes to the weight loss niche, most people that are visiting are seriously in need of what you have to offer as well as what your affiliates have to offer. But, they do not know you, and the do not trust you. So adding helpful giveaways can provide that extra trust that will help your visitors to stay. Then they can get to know you, at least a little, and to trust you enough to join your list. As you probably know, an incentive has been proven as an effective way to acquire an email address. Naturally, your incentives need to be relative to your niche. The best incentives are digital because they are downloadable. Your confirmation email lets your new subscriber know that they will be receiving a follow-up email with their incentive. The follow-up email include a link to the download page, and your download page can include a surprise bonus or an upsell or both. Incentives can be found at most PLR sites. Some free PLR sites are idplr.com, Resell Rights Weekly, Today PLR, In Digital Works, PLR Database. And remember that you can create your own unique giveaways. Again, your email list is going to be your most important asset, so do not procrastinate. If you need an email system, Mr. P recommends AWeber and Systeme because you can start for free. AWeber has been and still is one of the most intuitive email marketing platforms on the internet. You can use their platform for free, up to 500 subscribers. Systeme is a complete marketing platform, which means that it will provide you with everything you need, all in one place at no cost, and it stays at no cost up to 2,000 subscribers. You will find Mr. P's links below to both resources as well as a link to the first video in this training series. If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and allow me to invite you to join the channel, so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching. Consider watching this video next.